Alright, today, as per request, we're going to be drinking Dr. Pepper without burping. This one, I think it's going to be tough. I think it's going to be tougher than Coke. Hopefully, it doesn't hurt as bad as Coke. But we're about to find out. So let's go. Dr. Pepper is much better than Coke. And it doesn't sting as much when it's going down. So I think this one's going to be easier. But I think the burp's going to be bigger. This one we got 12 ounces. It's getting tougher. It's over about halfway. Oh, that's tough. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god, I couldn't finish it. Oh. That hurt so bad. Holy. Dr. Pepper is crazy, bro. Oh. Oh my god. Dr. Pepper is crazy. Holy. Okay, so far we have tried